my glitter babes? It's your girl Latricia Simone, and I am back with another wig review. A company reached out to me and wanted me to review some hair, so I decided to do the unboxing first, and then we'll get into what it actually looks like on. But if you want to see that, then just stay tuned. Okay, so this hair was sent to me by a company called A2Z Wigs. A2Z Wigs. Yeah, that's right. A2Z Wigs. I heard some other people pronouncing it like Atoz or something, but it's A2Z Wigs. I'm pretty sure. But the company that reached out to me sent me a let me see if this is a full lace. This is not a full lace wig. It is a lace part wig, and it is a bob. It is black, and they sent it to me in this box, and it just has their name on it, made in China, of course, and then the A2Z Wig, their company. They put the hair in this plastic bag, so you do get a nice plastic bag. So if you do put your wigs back in the box, you can definitely put your wigs back in the box, or just put them in this plastic bag. I like to put mine in plastic bags sometimes and label them, although when you wear a lot of wigs, that becomes a lot. So sometimes my wigs just end up in a plastic bag and I don't know what they are until I pull them out. So if you're like me, if you're that girl, then yeah, that's for you. Also in the bag, they put their, is this a care card? Yeah, a care card. Oh, there we go. Then in this pamphlet, it just says hello from A2Z Wigs, and it's basically giving you their Instagram information as well as like their Facebook information. It says that winners are randomly selected from all of their daily packages that are shipped, with a 1% chance of winning big gifts or big gifts for free. They got the free on there. So if you're interested in winning gifts, then order from them as well. They do have synthetic wigs as well as non-lace synthetic wigs, and I actually did a review on their hair. They sent me a synthetic wig and it was pink, so I will drop that link below if you have not seen that. That's a synthetic wig. So if you're into wigs like for Halloween or cosplay, then that will probably be a wig that you want to get. It was $16.99, so it was really, really cheap. They also put in here a wig cap, which I never used. Basically tells you how to put your wigs on, and they also put your little thank you card in there, letting you know that you can get $5 cash back off your offer if you Facebook message them. So if you're looking for money back on a wig that you got, then there you go. So let's get into this wig, honey, because I was excited. The company is A2Z, but the wig is called COOL2DAY. I don't know if you can see that. Nope, I'll just tell you, it's 10 inches. The care instructions are on the back of here. Like I said, this is a lace part wig only, so there is only lace in the middle. You have no lace on the outside. It looks like there is a tint to this wig, so if you don't bleach your knots, you don't have to. I will be bleaching the knots on this wig only because it makes it look more realistic to me, and I enjoy doing it. It's not as hard as I thought. It has 2 combs on the side, and it has 1 comb in the back, and it has your go-to adjustable straps. So with this hair company, the wigs come with adjustable straps, and you don't have to pay extra for it. They just automatically come with the adjustable straps, which I like, because some hair companies, they charge you for the adjustable straps if you want to add them. This is the parting. You can see my nail through, but it's pretty good on parting space. The hair is really soft. The hair is really soft. It feels like a good texture. This is 150 density wig. So the wig is very full. It's not thin at all. And I can tell when I pull wigs out of the box, I can automatically tell if they're thin. This one is not thin at all. This is what it looks like in the front. The parting space. And there are no baby hairs on this wig. There are no baby hairs. As you can see, the hairline has not been plucked. But I'm excited about this one. I'm excited about this one. Very soft. Very, very soft. And it's black. So yes, I am very pleased with this. I'm very pleased with this, and I cannot wait to put it on and show y'all what it looks like, because I know we are all looking for affordable hair, and this wig is very affordable. I will put the link down below if you all decide to purchase it as well. I'm liking it. So here's the hair again, and it's luster. So if you're interested in receiving hair from this company, I will drop the link down below, and you can purchase yours, and you can let me know if you liked it, if you didn't like it. I will be coming back with another video showing you how I installed it and what it looks like on. If you're not following me on social media, definitely follow me on social media, because I will be doing some giveaways as well. My social media information will be linked down below. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button before you leave. Definitely support your girl. I'm on a mission, and my mission includes you. So until then, I will see you in my next video.